Hello ladies and gentlemen, Not-So-Solid-Snake here with another exciting YouTube tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to install Fortnite on Windows 10. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your internet browser. I use Google Chrome. I'm going to go to google.com and I'm going to search for Epic Games. Epic Games is the creator of Fortnite, and we need to download their launcher in order to play it. So you'll see their website will launch here, and what you want to do is if you head up to the top left corner, look for Fortnite, it's right here, click on it, and then you'll click on Get Fortnite right down here. And then we're going to play it on the computers, so we'll click PC/Mac. And it's going to ask us to create an account. So if you don't have an account, you sign up right here. But I already have one, so I'm going to click. I'm going to click on Sign In. So once you're signed in, you'll see it say thank you for downloading. And it should start automatically downloading if you look down here in the bottom left. It's already downloaded Epic Installer. If that doesn't happen, just click on Download for Windows. I'm going to go ahead, drag this out onto my desktop just so you guys can see it. So from here, I'll double click on the Epic Installer and click Run. This will ask me where I want to install the Epic Game Launcher to, and this default location's fine, so we'll just hit next. Sorry, I think it said install, not next. Yes. And it'll just take a few seconds here. It's copying all the new files. And if you see there, I already have the shortcut. It looks like it added a shortcut to Epic Game Launcher.
This might take a minute, so I can just start up. I don't know, it's stalling right there, so it's taking so long, but... And now it's just going to do an update. Now it's just going to do an update, and now it's installing the update. And verifying update. Oh, come on, I just want to play Fortnite.
There we go. It looks like I'm already signed in and everything. So what you want to do from here is you hit install. This will ask you where you want to install Fortnite to. Default's fine, and you can turn on or off auto updates if you want. I'll hit install. And we'll hit yes on this pop-up. And then let's just wait for the game to install now. I know it might take a while, but it's on 2% already, so it shouldn't be much longer. And you can click this, the stat view, and it'll show you everything it's doing right now. It looks like it's going pretty quick. Well, maybe we can, maybe we can speed this part up too. We'll let it run through a little bit, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, and if you see here, Fortnite is installed. So all you gotta do is open your Epic Games launcher now and hit launch, and the game will start loading. I'll show you guys a little bit of what it looks like, and then I can end the video. Okay, so the game will load up, and then you can pick class. I normally go with Mage. And then you gotta wait around and spawn for everyone to pick their class. And in about 15 seconds, we'll be able to pick where we want to drop. Here we go. Where are we dropping, boys? Okay. We'll go here. And hopefully no one else drops with us. And I heard someone else. That's not good. Oh boy. I'm not really good at this game, but let's see this guy here. Not sure why it's not hurting him. That's kind of weird. I'll just try to outrun him. You don't want him to kill us. Maybe someone else will come by and take him out. Okay. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Let me get out of here. That's it for this video. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. If you have an idea or if you need help with something, leave it in the comments and I'll try to make a video on it for you. Thank you and have a great day.